we're going to look into triangle statements. So first off, we're going to use these three figures up top to answer some questions. An exterior angle to A, so this exterior angle, is equal to what? Well, notice if this adds up to 180, a triangle adds up to 180, and this line adds up to 180, then this angle has to be equal to the sum of angle B and angle C. To show that the sum of a triangle is 180, if you look at this triangle we have to begin with, and we put the three different angles next to each other, it adds up to a straight line, which we know is 180. Therefore, the three angles involved to do this also add up to 180. Likewise, angles in quadrilaterals sum up to 360. And this is because if we take, so we know a triangle is 180, and we take the same triangle and flip it and put them on top of each other, we have this four-sided quadrilateral shape. Now, if these add up to 180 and these add up to 180, on total we have 360 to form the quadrilateral. Parallelograms have opposite angles are congruent. Well, once again, looking at the shape, if we have this parallelogram and these two angles are involved to make this angle, and these two angles, same angles, are involved to make the opposite, then these are congruent. Likewise, A and A are congruent to itself, and this is always the case. A transversal through parallelograms, or parallel lines, has alternate interior angles congruent. Well, if this is a parallelogram, and we continue the parallel lines and we put a transversal through it, this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, we were able to prove that alternate interior angles are congruent to each other when a transversal goes through parallel lines.